doing, bro?
Hey man, what the fuck are you doing?
We living here. What happened?
What you just did was illegal. Don't open my
Dale
door now.
papel. We living here.
Hey man, what are you doing? The customer told you he's here.
We living here.
The
Excuse me.
customer told you he's here.
We living
Here, right?
here.
Yeah.
I have a pass.
Okay, please. Dale el
Yeah, you're in a
dale el
fire
pase.
lane. You're in a fire lane.
You can talk before you start towing the car.
You guys didn't get in your car. So
What are you talking about?
the video is not going to phase me.
Mira, por favor, nosotros
Video it.
we have the
Video
paper,
it. Show
please.
that.
Let go of the
show
car.
that- Yeah, it doesn't matter. You're
But
in a fire
I'm
lane.
leaving. What are
You're
you
in a fire
doing?
lane.
Let go of the car.
I was complaining from you, and my brother was complaining.
Let
from
go of
you
the car.
two guys. You were with another one. I spoke with manager,
Okay.
and he told, but it's
The
not
manager,
okay.
the manager stays in contact with us.
Yeah.
Let
but
go of
you
the
are
car, man,
doing
because
It's gonna be $50
the
to put it
cost,
down.
the cost.
I gotta handle one person at a time.
He's here.
Yeah, you gotta move it. Can't stay in the fire lane.
Please.
Hey, what are you doing?
Hey, the person is in the car.
I'm in park. I'm
The
in park.
person is in the car.
You jumped in it. Park out your car.
Man, you know you're gonna lose your job. You know
I'm
that.
not gonna lose my
Hey,
job.
call the cops. Call the cops. Call the cops. Police. Call the police.
Hey, you're not leaving nowhere, buddy. You're calling the cops. You want to speak to them. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing?
Hey, do you need the number to call them?
I got a pass.
I don't care if you have a
Yes, I do. Oh, I can. What is your problem, dude?
This is multiple times already, guys. Don't worry.
How old are you? Can I talk to him? We have already. Okay, no, okay, but okay, fine. But I mean, we have already problem. Okay, that's not what I'm saying.
Is this your car? You say yes.
Okay.
You said the car behind it. You said this one. You didn't say nothing.
Yes,
So it's gonna
he
get
told
hooked
you.
up.
He told you because
Yeah.
we have a
Well, you're in a
problem.
fire lane. It doesn't matter if you have a permit.
Okay, come
You're
on.
in a fire lane. Do you
Okay,
know what-
don't be such an ass, please.
Okay, now you call me an ass.
No, but please.
Whatever. Have a good one.
Okay,
I'll wait
can you
for the
listen
police.
to me, please?
I'll wait for the police.
Can you
No,
you
you said
listen?
calling the police.
Okay, can you listen to
No,
me?
you can wait for the police.
Please, can you listen
No,
to me?
no.
Please, we have an emergency here. Putain, c'est pas possible d'être aussi con, hein. Fuck. Okay, I call the police, okay?
Dice que no le importa, Cristian.
Porque-
Ya, no le importa si que él nos da el número de la policía, dice.
That teenager was calling.
I'm telling you guys, this is not the first time. This is not the first time. I have complained on them as well. I'm surprised that it's not fired yet. The idea is that their attitude towards people is wrong. How much? Wait.
Excuse me, please. We have paper.
Wait. How much is to lower the car? Покажи, где написано. Virginia.
Блин, это мне искать.
Hey guys, do you wanna look up the how much by Virginia law? I think you're supposed to pay only $25 to lower the car, not 50. He lied, meaning he is not giving you the right information. There is Virginia law, and this is considered predatory towing whenever they don't tell you the right information. Since I have it on, since my camera is on, I cannot look it up. Do you wanna look it up?
Of course it should.
Hey guys, have a question.
Yo, but the thing is, the dude just backed up in the car. He didn't
Yeah.
even say, hey, can you move out the parking?
Yeah.
And he said, is this your car? And I said, yes, sir, it is. I'm leaving.
I'm telling you, this guy
And he
was
just
giving,
backed up like
I'm
like he
telling you,
says.
this guy gives attitude. It's not the first time. He'll tow away delivery, pizza delivery guys would just park here for a second to deliver pizza. Old man. This guy just takes the car away.
Cristian, voy a traer dinero, mijo.
Okay, I'm not. I didn't say that. I
You're
said
gonna listen
no.
to what I have to
No.
say, because
Okay.
I'm okay.
Okay, go ahead. I'm listening to you.
Okay,
and then
take
you
it
listen
off
to
my
me.
window. Go off my window.
You're taking advantage of your power or what?
What? No, I'm
Oh,
not.
see,
Into
that's
power.
wrong.
We're not gonna sit here and argue.
I'm
I'm
not
not gonna have
arguing.
you. Your video shows it. I'm not gonna have you argue. I ain't arguing with you.
Okay, so what's the deal? I mean, where I told you that it was his car before you picked it up. Yes, he
No,
did.
you didn't. So
Yes, I
it's a
said.
bad car.
Yes, he said he's. Yes,
They
he did.
have.
He was
told
talking
you
about the
it's
red
their
one.
car.
Okay, can you please talk? Okay, that's very mature. Yeah, that's very mature. It's only when you talk. Son of a bitch.
I'm gonna go and give the video tomorrow to the management for them to deal with it.
Yeah, I know, but I mean, if they pull the car is $180, huh?
No. You
have to go.
you can give them. I'm telling you, you need to look it up. There is a law. If the customer, if the driver is in the car,
How do you call it? Type it.
So-
I don't have my glasses.
to close Virginia.
Dude, what the fuck is wrong with this guy?
It's his attitude. He doesn't. They're children. They're too young to work on that job. Yeah. I'll turn off the video. There is nothing anymore.